In today's video, we will guide you through how to fix Google Chrome high memory uses. So let's get started. High memory uses in Google Chrome can slow down your computer, especially if you have multiple tabs and extensions working. So firstly, go to the tab and tap on the three dot option available in the top right corner of your screen, then tap on the settings. Now, inside the settings, all you have to do is tap on the performance option available from the left slide bar. Inside performance, look for the built-in memory saver. Chrome has a built-in memory saver that helps to reduce memory uses by temporarily disabling background tabs. All you have to do is turn on the memory saver and enable the flag if available. Once you do so, simply tap on the extensions option available from the left sidebar. Then inside extensions, you will get to see a list of all installed extensions. Now for each extensions, you will see options to remove or disable it. So basically, all you have to do is remove the unnecessary extensions. Click the remove button next to the extension you no longer need. A confirmation pop-up will appear and click remove again to confirm. If none of these work, then consider uninstalling and reinstalling Chrome to reset all settings and clear any residual data. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.